Hi, this is Brad at Brad's Home Center once again with a brand new product that I have never seen before. This is a 14 cubic foot Midea upright convertible refrigerator or freezer. What it means, it's a confused box. Not only could it be all refrigerator, but it could be all freezer. It's the perfect thing for your garage because you know during the summer you want to fill it up full of cold drinks. There you go, you just press the button and it changes over for you. Then it's coming to the holiday time and all them Thanksgiving turkeys and all the frozen goods. You just press that button again and it converts back into a freezer. And you take a look inside. Look at this beauty. Wire rack shelves, door trays, slide out, LED lighting, everything that everybody wants. And it comes in white and stainless. Now the stainless model is $619.95 here in October of 2021. I cannot guarantee what the price is next week, next month, or next year because things are just changing on us. Here we are inside that Midea 14 cubic foot refrigerator. Look at these racks. They are solid, nothing cheap here. And this is a frost-free unit. 1, 2, 3 racks, 4, and a pull-out. Now, you can take them in, put them out, depending on what your load is. Also, when you turn back to a refrigerator, look at these shelves. Storage unit in the shelves. Super nice, quality box here for you today. Here's the controls. It'll turn it from a refrigerator to a freezer with a touch of a button. Watch this. Press this little button right here. First you got to unlock it. It's a count to 5 thing. Well, there we go. Now it's telling me I got it set at -11 for the freezer. I'm going to press and hold that button, see if I can't turn it into a refrigerator. Look at that. 41 degrees, perfect temperature. Once again, refrigerator, freezer. Also, right here is your temperature up and temperature down button. Has an alarm if it goes too high. Let's say you got it set on 2 and the electricity goes out or something and your food starts getting hot, it screams at you. Also has one of those if you leave the door open. It's got a nice little ding, reminds you, hey, you forgot to shut the door.